Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Kimirica Love Story Luxury Bath and Body Care gift set, a 5-piece 100% vegan pampering kit for men and women that's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. It's packed with body wash, body lotion, bath salt, a bathing bar, and hand cream, all infused with romantic notes of gardenia and night blooming jasmine. Let's see if it's as dreamy as it sounds. First up, the packaging. It's absolutely stunning. Shipped by Kimirica on Amazon, it arrived in a bold teal box with a ribbon, gift ready and luxurious, no wrapping needed. Inside, everything's nestled beautifully with a customizable card for a personal touch. So thoughtful. Starting with the body wash, 50 ml of gentle exfoliating gel. I used it with a loofah and it lathers rich. The jasmine and bergamot scent is intoxicating, cleanses deeply without drying. My skin felt so refreshed. Next, the body lotion, 50 ml. It's creamy and non-greasy. I applied it post-shower and it sank in fast. Enriched with shea butter and aloe vera, my skin stayed soft and smelled amazing for hours. The bath salt, 50 jars, is a game changer. I sprinkled it in my tub and the floral aroma turned my bath into a spa, so relaxing. The glycerin bathing bar, 85G, is handcrafted and moisturizing. I used it and it left my skin smooth, not tight, holds up well in the shower. Finally, the hand cream, 30 ml. It's hydrating and absorbs quickly. I applied it and my hands felt silky with a lingering jasmine scent, perfect for daily use. This set's vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free, travel-friendly, and ideal for couples. Not budget, but worth it for the luxe experience. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a spa night routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Maybe a couple's gift guide. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.